Hello students, I am your English teacher Sonu Kasana, and today we are doing some extra work, extra question answer. The first chapter, the who did Patrick's homework. Question answer is first question is fill in the blanks. Patrick never did dot 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 और यहाँ पे आंसर आएगा आपका homework. Patrick never did homework. Okay, Patrick never did homework. B. Sometimes he did feel like blank. ठीक है, his answer is an ignoramus. Sometimes he feel like an ignoramus. Ignoramus. This is ignoramus. 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 Okay. In this, see the little man's face blank, wrinkled. The right answer is wrinkled. And the blank began to do Patrick's homework. Elf. ELEF. ELF. Sorry. The elf is begun to do Patrick's homework. Okay. Now MCQs. A. Blank know nothing of human history. Patrick or elves? The right answer is elves. Elves know nothing of human history. B. Blank was working harder than ever. Patrick. Not Elvis, Patrick. Okay. C. Patrick got his A's. A's. Patrick got A in his result. Okay. Patrick's classmates were amazed. ये वो आश्चर्यचकित थे कि इसे ऐसे नंबर कैसे आ गए अच्छे वाले. ओके, सॉरी. क्वेश्चन 3. ट्रू और फॉल्स. ए. टिन्नी मैन ग्रांट पैट्रिक अ विश. टिन्नी मैन ग्रांट पैट्रिक a wish. True. B. The elf know what to do. False. C. The elves never need math. True. D. Tinny man guide Patrick. Sorry, Tinny man guided Patrick. Guided लिखेंगे. Guided Patrick. False. Okay, students. You have to write these question answer in the on the next page where you stop your last work. And next, the chapter from the book A Pact with the Sun. Chapter name is A Tale of Two Birds. Fill in the blanks. First of all, fill in the blanks. A. Once lived a blank and her two new born babies in a forest. Bird. Once lived a bird. Okay. B. One day there was a big blank storm. C. The blank blew down many trees. Wind. Okay. D. A big heavy blank hit the nest branch. Clear? First one, bird. Second, storm. Third, wind. D, branch. Clear? MCQs. A. One of them came down near a cave where a gang of blank lived. Robber or shopkeeper? Robbers. B. The other landed outside a rishis blank. House or ashram? Ashram. C. The of the country came to the forest to hurt blank the blank of the king. Okay, the king of the country came to the forest to hunt hunt. Clear? D. Suddenly king heard a blank voice, gentle. not harsh, gentle. State true or false. King got off his horse. True. The king tied his horse to a pole. False. He tied his horse to a tree. C. You are right, sir, answered the bird. True. One is known by the company one keeps. True. Okay. Thank you. Okay, students.